Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trains. Today we're going to be building something very unique here, and we're going to be building this Chessie system battery electric shop switcher locomotive. And this locomotive is powered by batteries and was very unique on the Chessie system roster, and it was built all the way back in 1917. And it's very small with a center cab, and this is what it looks like, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the wheel. So we're going to put a netherite wheel on the rail. Then in the center here, we're going to do 3 deep slate brick walls like this, and another wheel right here. Then in the middle right here, we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates, and then another 3 walls. Then we'll put a netherite wheel on this end here and here. Then open fence gates into the ends of the wheels here, and at this end down here. Between the wheels above the rails here, we'll do a full line of sideways lightning rods here, and a full line of lightning rods on this side. Then we're going to come through, and we're going to put a hopper on the side of all 4 of the wheels here. Then we'll crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And same thing on this side, a wither skeleton skull on each of the hoppers on this side here. Then we're going to grab a deep slate tile slab here, and we're going to put a row of slabs on the upper hitbox between the wheels across here. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on this side, a row of slabs across here on the upper hitbox. Then we're going to come on this second layer on the top middle here, start here and do a line of netherite up the center. Then we're going to extend it out 1 block past these fence gates, and same thing on this end, 1 block past these fence gates. Then fill in on each side of it, so we end up making a rectangle that's 3 blocks wide in the middle up here. Then we're going to put 2 deep slate tile slabs here and 2 here. Do the same thing on this side, 2 slabs here, 2 here, and then across in between them, we'll put dark oak trapdoors. And then a row of dark oak trapdoors here. Then we're going to put a skeleton skull above each of the wheels here. Same thing on this side, skeleton skull above each wheel. Then we'll come up here and crouch, and we're going to put a lightning rod here and here, then 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come on the end of the second layer, put a polished blackstone block on the center here, and 2 polished blackstone walls on either side of it. And do the same thing on this end. So a block in the middle, 2 walls on either side of it here. Then we're going to grab a dark oak stair for the coupler, turn around and stack it up on the middle second block here. Do the same thing on this end. And once you have that, we're going to come underneath here, and we're going to put 4 fence gates up this bottom middle. Then same thing on this end, 4 fence gates on the bottom middle here. Then take out a chain, put 1 on either side of the coupler, then a wither skeleton skull on the outer edge here and here. Do the same thing down here, so a chain on either side of this coupler, and a wither skeleton skull here and here. Then go back to your chain. We're going to put 2 chains here, 2 here, come to this side, 2 here, 1 more corner to go, 2 right here. Then we're going to go back to netherite on this 3rd layer, and we're actually going to raise this rectangle of netherite up another block. So just copy all the netherite that's below it here. Then on this end, we're going to go 5 wide on this upper hitbox with acacia slabs. And then same thing on this end, 5 wide up here with acacia slabs. Then once we have that on the side here, we're actually going to add in another full line of netherite on this layer, going end to end right here. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Another full line of netherite end to end up here. Then on the side of the netherite, a full line of acacia slabs up here. And then same thing on this side, so it looks like this. Now take yellow concrete, and we're gonna come above where this left-hand lightning rod is. Put one right here. And then one on the opposite side aligned with it. Then we're gonna skip a block and do 4 yellow concrete. Same thing over here, skip a block and 4. Then go to yellow shulker boxes, put 3 here, 3 here, and 3 yellow concrete on the end there. Repeat it here, so 3 yellow shulker boxes here and here, 3 yellow concrete on the end. Then we're gonna go to orange concrete. 1 here, here, and here, and copy that on this side. Then 2 cyan stained glass panes on each gap here. Then a cyan stained glass block here, here, then here, then here. Then take orange concrete right here in this middle, and we're gonna do a 3x3 right here. Same thing, a 3x3 at this end right here. Then we're gonna put 3 acacia planks here, 3 here, and do the same thing on this side, 3 here, and 3 right here. Then we're gonna come in and grab an oak door. And we're gonna put a door in this gap here, and one on this side here. Then we're gonna take polished blackstone brick slabs and do a full row across this outer edge up here. And same thing on this side here. Then we're gonna come down in front of this door, put a fence gate under the door, and 2 iron bars on either side of it here. And we'll repeat that on this side. So a fence gate here and 2 iron bars on either side of the door. Then we'll take out acacia fence gates and put 5 across the end here. And same thing on this side, 5 across the end right here. Then we're gonna come up top with polished blackstone brick block, and we're gonna fill this whole cab roof in here, 5 wide. Then a 3x3 on this top middle here, and a 3x3 on this top middle right here. Now we're going to do the top details. So come up here, and we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates up here. Then right here, we're going to put 3 sideways anvils in the center. On the side of it, open a fence gate, then a fence gate here. Then right here, a 2x2 of dark oak trapdoors. Then we're going to take a chiseled polished blackstone block and put 1 right here. Then a black candle on the top of it. Then 4 candles here and 1 in front of it. Then we're going to put a bell over on this side here. Then on this block, on all 4 sides, we're going to put a ladder. Just like that. Then we're going to grab a brewing stand here. And we're going to put 1 brewing stand right here. Then take a skeleton skull, come on the end on the top middle here, 1 here, and then 1 on the middle at this end right here. Now we're going to come into a loom with a yellow banner and orange dye, make the top half orange. Go to black dye, put a vertical on the left and a horizontal on the top and bottom. This is for the logo, so we're going to put 1 on the center of this end, and 1 on the center of this end here. Now we're going to come inside here, and I actually had to take this fence gate off the bottom to fit through this door. We're going to put a netherite under all 4 of these stained glass blocks in the corners here. Then across this we'll put 2 rows of blast furnaces. The same thing here, 2 rows of blast furnaces here. Then we'll put a netherite in the middle with 2 levers on it. Then up here we'll put 2 glow item frames with compasses. And then we'll go ahead and put a stair on each side for seats. And now the interior's done here, but we gotta fix this door. So we already took that fence gate off, I'm going to come to this side and take the fence gate off on this side here. We'll actually change this. So we're going to knock out this, put an upside down acacia stair and an acacia plank under it, and that makes our stairs, and then replace the door. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll change this one to an upside down stair, and we'll put a plank under it, and then replace the door. Then we're going to come back into a loom with a yellow banner and orange dye and just make the top half orange. And then we'll crouch and put that over the door, because the doors on this actually don't have any windows. We'll do the same thing here. Put this banner over the door here. Then we're going to grab polished blackstone button, put 2 buttons under the window here, and come to this other side, and 2 buttons under the window right here. So it looks like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Chessie system battery electric shop switcher locomotive. A very unique looking one indeed. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.